It is nigh impossible to actually understand what a VR game feels like when you're watching a flat video or looking at screenshots. In fact, it's difficult to really even understand or grasp what is actually going on in a 360-degree environment when you're just looking at a flat video of someone playing, which is why I've made it my mission to fix just that. Enter BMF VR 360, a brand new YouTube channel I've designed to feature 360-degree content of these VR games, so you can put your headset on and jump into a 360 video and see exactly what the environment's like by looking around. Currently, it's not stereoscopic, which I am working on as well, so you'll get 3D on top of being 360, but my goal really with this is actually to show Oculus and Valve and any other companies that I can get a hold of that people want to see these games before they buy them, and that they'll get a lot less refunds if they actually have a chance to see them. I'm not talking about demos, I'm talking about small clips or even trailers that are 360 degrees. Now, that could revolutionize the way that we actually buy games. Can you imagine being able to put the headset on, go into the Quest store, and then click on a trailer that immerses you in the actual game? And actually, I'm working with a few developers to make that happen. I'm trying to create some videos and trailers for them to really showcase their games in a totally unique way. And I think this could really take VR up a level. On top of being able to do that for VR headsets, it's actually pretty awesome for someone to be able to take their mobile device and look around inside of a 3D environment of a VR game. It's pretty awesome to be able to stand there and turn 360 degrees and see the camera change in a video game and be able to showcase exactly what you're able to see when you're in VR, even if you don't have a VR headset. To me, I've showed it to a few people in person and they actually said, wow, that's really cool. They'd never tried VR before, but they tried that and it actually made them more interested in looking into getting a Quest. You see, people don't understand what it's like to actually be in a VR headset. They don't understand that you can turn all the way around, that the environment is there, and it's just like being in an immersive world, which is why these types of videos are so important. Because not only are those of us with a headset going to benefit because we can check out games with 3D trailers that actually wrap around us and allow us to see what the environments are like before we purchase, it's also going to drive new people to check it out because they can actually get a feel, even if it's not in VR, of a real living world. So the end game goal of creating BMF VR 360 is to help support developers and help you, all of you out there looking to get 360 videos of any type of content, whether it's Quest games, and I'm working with developers to get access to PC builds of the actual Quest games so they look the same and you can get a 360 video of those games as they release. I'm also creating PC VR videos as well for those of you that don't have a PC and you want to check out what some of the gameplay is like. There are so many different benefits of having 360 videos, especially 360 3D stereoscopic videos that actually give depth to these videos, and I'm working on getting that running as soon as possible as well. If you want to support this initiative, please jump over and subscribe to BMF VR 360. There's a link down in the description. The more people we can get on board for this, I've talked to a lot of developers. We want to try to push so that in the Oculus store, there are actually 360 environments that you can click on to go into, or 360 trailers or something in virtual reality to really help showcase what a game is before you buy it. It is VR after all. Why do we not have VR trailers that allow us to actually see the game? We've got to watch a flat trailer while being in VR. So that's something that I think really needs to change. I think it's something that we can help change, and I've made it my mission to show everyone how amazing stuff like this can be. So please go subscribe to BMF VR 360 down at the link in the description. I'll be putting videos out there every week, including PC VR videos, mostly Quest videos as I do a video, and I can get a build to be able to record. If you see a video on this channel and I'm able to do it, I'll put a video on that channel as well with gameplay. So after you watch my video here, you can always jump over and check out the game there before you actually buy it. What do you think about this? Is it something that you would want to see in the Oculus store? Please comment down below with support if you think it's a great idea. I really want to get as many people behind behind this as possible. In fact, I'd love to see that channel over there explode and have even more subscribers than this one, just to show Oculus how many of us actually want this and that they can look into this initiative. Again, please jump over and subscribe to BMF VR 360. You're going to be supporting developers and hopefully supporting this initiative to be able to get this in front of Oculus, and we can hopefully make this happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to this channel and you want to get the most out of your Quest, you can click that subscribe button and the bell icon down below, and you can check out even more of my videos right over there. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and happy questing.